to be 50, so 18
tiene
pounds.
18 pounds. Tiene mucho.
No, no pago.
Yeah, no worry. You pay.
Oh, listo.
Yeah.
No voy a dar más vueltas. Pagará la tarjeta de Rubén.
No.
Okay, just.
Thank you.
Can I go to that elevator?
Yeah, we need to take the elevator.
Is there any other little bag you want to do for free? You want to take with you?
Son 16.
Yeah.
16 pounds.
You just push it to the side somewhere.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
And both your boarding passes right here in the work. Over here, you go to gate 40.
Can we go to the oldest elevator?
So go to gate 40. These are just the tracking numbers for the bag. They're checked all the way through to Buenos Aires.
Okay, esos son los tracking numbers de su maleta.
Ok.
Vente.
Are we taking oldest series 5?
Vente.
Are we taking oldest?
Vamos a regresar este. Dice que se lo puedo dejar donde sea. No, ahorita voy a tratar de regresar.
Yeah.
Wow.
I gotta get a which.
No, ¿sabes qué? Que también nosotros la regamos porque justamente
I need to get it away from. Oh, no. Bus.
Are we taking the elevator right now?
No, vamos a dejar el carrito allá afuera, papá.
And then we can take an
Que le
elevator.
vaya a doña Betty también.
Mother, it's the elevator. Papa, Papa, can we go to that elevator? Papa, can we go to that elevator?
No.
Dame un beso. Bye. Vos a mí. Thank you. Gracias por todo.
Papa, I want to ride this one. Papa, I want to ride this one. Papa, I want to ride this one. Let me ride this one. Hey, Papa, can I ride this one?
Vete, no, vete.
Let me ride this one.
Agarrarle la barrota ya.
Ride this one. the
Ya,
old-
bonito, bonito.
And then we can ride the oldest Series 5. Papa, can we ride oldest Series 5? Exit in this airport? Can we ride this elevator on this airport?
Vamos a regresar ahorita el carrito y ahorita venimos.
You. Glass.
Vente.
Wow. It's a nice time. San Diego International Airport.
Vente.
Are we not leaving right now?
Yeah, hold on. Give me one.
Papa, are we not leaving right now? Are we not leaving? Are we not leaving? It's a parking garage.
Yeah, okay.
Let me go ride this one, Pa. Papa, can I go ride this
Oye,
one?
espérate.
Thanks a lot. You guys take care.
Excuse me. You know how to return the car?
You want to return it?
Yeah.
The front.
On the front?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
You return the cart. Can we go to Otis, Bob? Baba, can I go to Otis elevator? Baba, can I go to Otis?
Oh, okay.
We can go to Otis and just
Okay, llega al aeropuerto.
let's go again. Ew. Let's go back inside again. Wow, so many cars. You elevator. This is Otis Series 5. Okay, down. Okay. Wow. You. One. One. You. This is Otis Series 5.
First floor.
You. First floor. Wow.
Ahora vamos a agarrar la escalera. Ahora agarramos el elevador. Bueno, escúchale.
Wait until the door shuts.
Ya, escúchale.
You. Button. You. Two.
Going up.
Two. You. Your door's closing.
Second floor.
We're in second now. You.
Vale, vamos a ver. Vamos a ver.